Hello everyone! I'm very happy to be with Peter and Kelly from Australia. This video is very important, no, Peter? We discussed before about the terrorism they are doing. Want to say something about your tour of Sicily? Want to say something about the condition you are finding?
Yes, we do. When we hadn't come here, we heard all this very emotive language of how Sicily was burning, and we were so worried that our tour was going to be cancelled. But we've got here, and there's nothing. We haven't seen any evidence. We're not, maybe perhaps not in the right area, but we've been all over Sicily, and we haven't seen any evidence of any bushfires. So it's safe. You can come. Come. It's wonderful.
Sorry. Let's say what's the day. Today is August 18, 2023.
2023. That's true.
So look at the sky.
It's beautiful.
As you can see, it's full of fog, full of smoke. Everything is burning.
Look. Yes.
This is the Sicilian irony.
Yes. Come on, Peter. What do you?
Peter.
Yes.
Say our friends that they are safe. If they come to Sicily, this is what they expect.
Oh, look,
The weather's been beautiful.
weather's been fantastic. Sicily's totally safe. Totally safe. We can walk around the streets at night time, daytime. Everybody's wonderful. Everybody's so gracious. I don't speak much Italian, so that's not a problem at all. English is widely spoken here. Although not all that well, but still we can communicate really well. Fantastic people, great country.
Thank you, Peter. Would you like to say something about your tour so far?
Oh.
So you had...
We started off in Palermo, and I don't get the pronunciations right.
Erice.
Erice was amazing. The history is unbelievable. You people have been invaded by so many different races. It's mind-boggling. And now we're in
Cefalu.
I get the pronunciations wrong,
Yeah.
but I know where we are. And we've had the most beautiful lunch overlooking the Mediterranean Sea.
Well said.
Thank you. And we're all full and happy now and ready to go shopping.
And next day, so you are expecting to visit the east of Sicily,
Yes,
right? Do you remember?
We read it each night if we forget.
The tour is so...
This is a test.
Well, actually, I don't remember because the tour is so packed full of locations and places to visit that I really can't remember where we're going tomorrow. But Kelly's should be up with
Reading up on it.
You've been reading up on it, haven't you? I think you know.
And it's something like that starts with R, and it's Ragusa, I think. Is that correct?
First you visit the Valley of the Temples,
The Valley of the
and then you go straight to the east, to the southeast of Sicily, to Ragusa.
Ragusa, okay.
And you will discover the beautiful area of the Baroque.
Oh.
Because of the three beautiful villages, Ragusa, Modica and Noto.
I know.
They are all UNESCO sites.
Yes.
And then finally you will go to Siracusa, Ortigia.
Syracuse, oh, I'm looking forward. And the Etna, Mount Etna, I'm really looking forward to that. Because apparently it erupts quite often, but it's no danger.
It actually erupted yesterday. Remember?
What about Mount Etna? People are saying that we are collapsing, that we are in the middle of
the...
Guys, don't believe what they say.
Actually, we're going to have dinner at the base of Etna tomorrow, aren't we? Yeah.
Mount Etna is one of the most active volcanoes in the world, but it's always safe. Don't worry, because it's huge. So even if you take an excursion at the foot of the volcano, you will be very distant from the top craters.
And there's even a winery. I can't wait for the winery. I'm looking forward
That's
to
the
that.
reason why we go there.
Yeah.
We don't care about the volcano. We go there for the wine. And finally, the best at the end, you will stay in Taormina.
I know, I'm really looking forward to that one. Apparently the shopping is really good.
Yes.
Yes.
Staying in the old village, we're really looking forward to it.
He's not I'm looking forward to the shopping. He's not looking forward to me shopping. There you
Yeah,
go.
but this place will combine all your interests, all
Okay.
your specific needs.
Good.
Because you will stay, they followed our suggestion, they will stay in the best hotel in Taormina. I can say it. Can I say it? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All the hotels
The
are there.
Metropole in Taormina is one of my favorite hotels, and they will have everything walking distance. Right in Corso Umberto, the most beautiful pedestrian street in Taormina. So she will enjoy
Sounds
shopping.
exciting, I can't wait. It's great.
And I'll enjoy sitting.
Of course.
Sitting.
Watching all the
do that
historical
quite
sites.
Don't watch too much
not too
Sicilian
much.
girls.
No, we won't
Be
do that.
careful. Be careful. Be careful.
I've made an art form out of sitting. I enjoyed it.
So far so good.
Ah,
You had
Fantastic.
a beautiful
Yeah.
English-speaking driver.
we have, and the
Uh,
guides are just so knowledgeable. Ah, your head will burst with the history. It's just incredible.
Yeah, and I would recommend this to anyone.
Tomorrow you will meet another driver who will show you the history of Sicily. You will meet other local guides and guys, what to say? I wish you the best.
Oh, thank you so much.
You
It's been
deserve to
terrific.
enjoy Sicily, no matter what they say. Don't.
No, don't believe
No,
them.
don't believe
Don't
them.
They are just envious.
Yeah, they are. They wish they were here.
They don't know what they are losing. People who talk about the fires, about the eruptions,
the
they don't know what they say. This is the proof that we are
Look at that sky.
we are enjoying a great. And this August is absolutely beautiful.
Well, we've been here in
Over a
Sicily
week.
now, over a week now, and I haven't seen one cloud.
Yeah.
Zero clouds. It's
Yeah.
been 32,
Yeah.
30 to 32 every single day. Been absolutely magnificent. Weather is great.
Thank you so much for this beautiful advertising.
That's it.
And once again, from Cefalù, that's all. We really wish you a beautiful tour of Sicily, the rest of the tour.
Thank you so
What do we
much.
say? Ciao.
Ciao, yes, but we used to say something different. We used to say love. Say with
Love.
me. Love,
Love,
acts,
art,
and kisses.
and
Oh, love
kisses
and kisses.
Love, acts, and kisses from Sicily, from Cefalù.
from Sicily. Love,
Ciao
hug,
from
and
Peter, Kelly, and Gianca, of course. And Rosella, who's filming now.
does a beautiful
This is an
job.
exception. Usually Rosella talks and I film. Now
Oh, okay.
she's behind the camera. Ciao Rosella. Hello everyone. Bye bye. Ciao.
I'm also here to Sicily Lovers to meet these beautiful people.
I will be lost without Rosella.
It's true. So all together,
Love, acts, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao.